So I'm gonna give you a little insight, right? So what we practice at Achieve Integrative Health is called restorative acupuncture neurology. That means our acupuncture technique actually helps restore your function, restores your organ function, restores your nerve growth. We actually can help you restore function with our specific acupuncture technique. It's actually called quick restorative acupuncture, QRA. Big difference is the focus of each acupuncture clinic, right? So not every clinic focuses on the same things. And for example, most clinics, I would say 90% of the acupuncture clinics in the US, their focus, okay, is on symptom relief. And we focus on that too. So symptom relief, what is that? That's relief of your pain, that's relief of your burning, your tingling, and numbness, shocks. That is symptom relief when these symptoms start to decrease, okay? So majority, I would say over 90% of acupuncture clinics focus on symptom relief, which is important to you, right? Because it's bothering you, right? And so very few focus on corrective. So corrective care is actually, you're correcting the problem. Like what caused these symptoms to begin with? What caused the nerve damage? Because that's what neuropathy is. Neuropathy is nerve damage. What caused that nerve damage to begin with, right? And so whatever that cause to your nerve damage, they repair. That is called corrective care. You correct, guess what? You correct the cause, right? So whatever causes the nerve damage, some clinics correct the cause, right? So why do you want to correct the cause? Because if you don't correct the cause, guess what? These symptoms up here, they're going to keep coming back. So you may go to a clinic that does acupuncture and they relieve your pain, relieve your burning, your tingling, numbness. They're very minimal or they're gone, right? And then they discharge you. That's a relief care clinic, right? So when they discharge you, they still haven't fixed the problem, right? So if let's just say your symptoms are down, your symptoms are very minimal or they go away, okay, and then they discharge you. They go, okay, you're done, you're fixed, go away, right? And so, but your symptoms are going to come back because they didn't fix the root cause, right? So this is why this is really step two. Corrective care is super important. Corrective care corrects a problem so these symptoms don't come back, okay? So there's another step, all right? That's what we call restorative care, right? So this is really, if you think about it, this is really step one, corrective care step two, right? Restorative care is step three. So what is restorative care? So restorative care is to restore your body's ability to heal itself again. So even when you fix the root cause, you fix the cause that caused these symptoms, right? But you didn't get the body, you didn't retrain the body to heal itself again. So eventually, even though you correct the root cause, eventually that whatever root cause can come back. And guess what? That will eventually have the symptoms come back as well. So the real solution, if you don't want it to come back, is you have to retrain your brain to heal your body again, okay? That's restorative care. Restorative care, the end result is your body heals itself again, heals itself by itself without acupuncture. Now that's not possible for everybody because some of y'all who have neuropathy, you got it because you had cancer, you had chemotherapy, you had radiation, and that killed not just your nerves, but it killed some of your cells and it really caused a lot of dysfunction in your organs, right? So we may not be able to restore all of your organ function. But not to get too deep, I want to stay on, what's the difference that you're going to find in different acupuncture clinics. You're going to find, let me just summarize it again. So you're going to find clinics that only focus on relief. Your symptoms are gone, they discharge you. Then you're going to find even fewer clinics that focus on corrective care. They correct the cause that caused the symptoms, and then you're going to find our clinic. Restorative care is what restores your body's ability to heal itself. Okay, so that's what I mean by, if we come back here, focus, right?